Alright, hello everyone. So now in this video, going on our last video on exponential equations and logs and indices, we are now onto logarithms. So I have two good questions here to show you and we'll walk through them, so let's get right into it. Alright, so we have log 7 to the 343. So what we're going to do is we're going to write it out again, log 7, 343. And we want to find x is equal to x. So we want to find what this equals to. And you can enter on your calculator to get the answer beforehand, but we're going to be working it out first. Alright, so 343 is equal to 7 to the power of x. As you can see here, we're taking it from the base. So the base to the power of x is equal to 343. So if we get the same power, if we get the power of 343, so 343 would be 7 to the power of 3 is equal to 7x. And now we can let the exponents equal each other because we have the same base. So 3 is equal to x. So that would mean that log 7 by 343 is equal to 3. Very good. And if you enter that on your calculator, you should get the same answer. Alright, so now for the second question, we have the one up here, so we'll write it out again. Log 27, 1 over 3 is equal to x. So the base 27, so 1 over 3 is equal to 27 to the power of x. Very good. Now that would mean that 3 to the power of minus 1 is equal to, and x is 3 to the power of 3 by x, so 3 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 3x. So minus 1 is equal to 3x, x is equal to minus 1 over 3. Very good. So now what this would mean is that log 27 over 1, 3 is equal to minus 1 over 3. So those were our two logarithm questions. We'll be doing plenty more in the next few videos. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe for more maths related videos, and we'll have videos on physics and chemistry coming soon. So I will see you then.